Assalamu alaikum everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, please switch on your camera so that I can see you.
So
And keep yourself on mute. Assalamu alaikum. So, are you guys enjoying the rain? Assalamu alaikum everyone. Please switch on your cameras.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Okay, I had given you your homework yesterday, remember? To go through the band of marks and all that.
Yes, sir.
Any questions that you have? Anything that you want to ask? Any questions that you have on your mind? Anything which was not clear? Zainul Abidin, Ahmed, Abdul Rahman, Hamza, Umama, Muhammad Ahmed Asif, please switch on your cameras so that I can see you. Muhammad Moeen, Muhammad Ahmed, switch on your camera so that I can see you. Thank you. Umama, Hamza, Ahmed, Rida, Muhammad Moeen, Muhammad Ahmed, Muhammad Yusuf, I think. Okay. All right. Please switch on your camera so that I can see you. Muhammad Ahmed. Okay. So I had given you a homework yesterday and I had asked you to go through the band of marks. Did you go through it?
Yes, sir.
Fare, let's start with you.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay. Roha, I'll just take your question in a minute. Ayman, did you go through the band of marks?
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Moeen, did you go through the band of marks? Safa, Rahim, Tanzil, Fare, did you go through the band of marks? Rida, are you with us?
Yes.
Did you go through the band of marks? Did you see the attachment that I had posted over there?
Yeah, I saw the file.
There was a welcome message over there. Did you go through it as well? So I was saying if I get disconnected, don't panic, okay? All right. So who had a question? Roha, shall we start from you?
Sir, I have two questions.
Sure.
Sir, one of the points said that a report which is economically clear. What does this mean?
Okay, so you saw it in the band of marks?
Yes.
Or you saw it in like examiner report?
No, in the band of marks.
Can you show me where it's written?
Sir, I think it was in the 13th and 14th part of the band of marks. I don't remember.
Okay, I'll just I'll just have a look at it. Any other questions, Josefa? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I had
Any
a
questions?
question. I had a question from band number 3, which is 7 to 9 marks. I wanted to ask, it was written, tone may be appropriate, but slip of register. What do they mean by this? Slip of register.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो everybody tell me what do you mean by register? The word register that they have used in the band of marks. Raheem will tell me what is register. Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Raheem. Register का क्या मतलब होता है?
Other language, if you're writing in formal or informal.
Excellent. Very good.
To
Very good. Register over here means the degree of formal or informal. वो वाला register नहीं होता जो accounts का register होता है, वो वाला नहीं है. business studies वाला register नहीं. यहाँ पे register का मतलब होता है the formal or informal register. Slip का क्या मतलब होता है, हुज़ैफा? Do you know what is the difference between a slip and an error?
Slip and error. Sir,
मैं example दूं?
yes, please.
You want me to give an example?
Yeah.
अच्छा, स्लिप होता है THERE, देयर लिखना है आपको, ठीक है?
Okay.
आपने THERE की जगह आपने THEIR लिख दिया. तो अगर ये एक दफा होगा तो ये स्लिप कहलाएगा,
Yeah.
और अगर ये बार बार मिस्टेक हो रही है, हर जगह ये मिस्टेक हो रही है, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? एरर. ठीक है? तो स्लिप और एरर का फर्क ये होता है. देयर इज अ स्लिप एंड देयर इज एन एरर. सो दे आर सेइंग कि टोन अप्रोप्रिएट, यानी आपकी जो टोन है, अब टोन का क्या मतलब है? आप उसके अंदर अपनी रिपोर्ट के अंदर शुड नहीं कह सकते. आपकी प्रिंसिपल है, वो आपकी अब्बा जी की नौकर नहीं है. तो यू कांट से यू शुड डू दिस, यू शुड डू दिस. दैट्स इनअप्रोप्रिएट टोन. अगर अब आपने एक दफा उनको ये कह दिया यू शुड डू दिस, तो एग्जामिनर माइट इग्नोर. बट इफ यू आर रिपीटिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन, आप उसको ऑर्डर दे रहे हो, आप उसको हुक्म दे रहे हो, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे, पोलाइट नहीं हो, तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? फिर
Error.
एरर बन जाएगा. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, रिमेंबर द पर्पस ऑफ शोइंग यू these band of marks was that you know exactly how you are marked. I'm sharing my screen. Look at the screen. Acha, before I share the screen, let me take a screenshot of the people who are there so that I exactly know who is there in my class. I'll also click on the participants list so that I exactly know who is there. Okay. All right. So, Zainul Abidin, did you go through the band of marks?
No, sir. Yesterday, in the last half an hour, I was not there because of my light issues.
Okay.
So I had not.
ठीक है. Misam, please switch on your camera. Hamza Faisal, switch on your camera. Ahmed Nasir, switch on your camera. Mohammed, you, I think. Please switch on your camera so that I can see you. Ahmed Nasir. Ahmed, band of marks गए, आपने देखा था? Did you go through the band of marks? आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया उसमें? Zainul Abidin, switch on your camera, please. Did you understand everything? Anyway, I'm sharing the screen. We're quickly going to go through the remaining band of marks.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what does it mean by monotonous effect?
अच्छा, monotonous effect. Very good. I'm glad when you ask me questions. Monotonous effect का मतलब होता है मोनोटोनस का क्या मतलब होता है? सबसे पहले आप मुझे ये बताओ, मोनोटोनस। तंजील, आई एम ऑल्सो, तंजील मैं आपसे भी पूछ रहा हूँ, यू कैन लोअर डाउन योर हैंड जी। मोनोटोनस का मतलब कोई बता सकता है मुझे? ओके अनुषा, यू वुड लाइक टू आंसर?
यस सर।
मोनोटोनस का क्या मतलब होता है?
सर एक सिंगल पैटर्न, आप कुछ मिक्सअप ना कर दें आपस में बातों को, और एक उसमें चल एक पैटर्न, यू आर गोइंग विद अ पैटर्न, यू डोंट मिक्स अप स्टोरीज।
अच्छा देखो, ये डायरेक्टेड राइटिंग है, तो यहाँ पे ना स्टोरी है, ना डिस्क्रिप्टिव है, ना आर्ग्यूमेंटेटिव है।
यू डोंट
ये याद
मिक्स अप
रखना,
द
ये
पॉइंट्स
क्लैरिफाई
लाइक
कर लो, ठीक है?
ईच
डायरेक्टेड राइटिंग में स्टोरीज और कुछ नहीं होता। Acha, we were on. Look, since there is this electricity problem, the power generator and all that, so I might get disconnected. Please don't panic, okay? You know it's raining. There is no hardly electricity over here. So please manage with me if I get disconnected. Can you hear me loud and clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अनुषा, आप अभी जवाब दे रहे थे मोनोटोनस के बारे में.
यस सर।
अच्छा देखो, फर्स्ट थिंग जो आप क्लैरिफाई कर लो वो ये है कि यहाँ पे कॉम्पोजिशन नहीं होता, यहाँ पे नैरेटिव नहीं है, यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्टिव नहीं है, यहाँ पे आर्ग्यूमेंटेटिव नहीं है, यहाँ पे प्योरली डायरेक्टेड राइटिंग है जिसमें 4 चीजें होती हैं: आर्टिकल, लेटर, स्पीच या रिपोर्ट. तो जो मोनोटोनस का मतलब होता है, मोनोटोनस का मतलब होता है सुबह 7 बजे उठा, फिर मैंने नाश्ता किया, फिर मैं स्कूल गया, फिर मैं स्कूल से वापस आया, फिर मैं सो गया, फिर मैंने कारी साहब से पढ़ा. अब मेरी मोनोटोनस रूटीन है, ये एक जैसी रूटीन है. ये रूटीन कब चेंज होती है? सैटरडे और संडे को. तो इस चीज को कहते हैं मोनोटोनस, एक जैसी चीज, एक ही पैटर्न वाली चीज. आपका आंसर, इट वाज राइट. You see it, it's not changing, but when does it change? It changes on Saturday and Sunday. So somebody asked that monotonous pattern pe, what was the question? Monotonous?
Sir, monotonous effect.
मोनोटोनस इफेक्ट का मतलब ये हुआ बार बार आप एक चीज बार बार पका रहे हो, एग्जामिनर को बार बार एक ही चीज लिख रहे हो, बार बार एक ही चीज लिख रहे हो. When you have discussed one thing, do not repeat. Don't repeat it again. If you've talked about one aspect, if you've talked about one point, don't repeat. That is called monotonous pattern or monotonous effect. Clear आ गया? हो गया? ये एक चीज clear हो गई? अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
Tanzeel, you were asking me something. Tanzeel, where is Tanzeel?
Sir, I just asked this question.
Okay. Anybody else with any question? Let me share the screen and let me have a look. Let me show you the. अच्छा, कल हमने कहाँ तक हमने देख लिया था? हमने ये सारी चीजें देख ली थी टॉप बैंड की जो थी, हमने देख लिया था. ऑल रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स, डेवलप इन डिटेल, ये वाली चीज कवर कर ली थी. हुज़ैफा?
Yes, sir. We had only read band 5. बस एक ही band read किया था. We have already done with band.
पूरा कर लिया था. Did we read all?
From given information, so यहाँ से continue करें.
अच्छा, मैंने इसकी एग्जांपल क्या दी थी? ऑल रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स, डेवलप्ड इन डिटेल, फुली एम्पलीफाइड एंड वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. ये कौन होता है? बहन या भाई के ससुराल वाले होते हैं. एक सास, एक ससुर और एक बहनोई या फिर भाभी. उन तीनों को इक्वली रिस्पेक्ट देनी है. ये नहीं आप एक को बहुत ज्यादा, यानी एक पॉइंट को बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में डेवलप कर रहे हो, एक को आधे बीच में छोड़ दिया और एक को एवरेज कर दिया. तीनों को बैलेंस करना है. कह रहे हैं ना वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. देख रहे हो वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. मैंने एम्पलीफाइड का मतलब समझाया था. डिड आई एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट एम्पलीफाइड मींस? टू मेक इट ब्यूटीफुल, टू मेक इट इन डिटेल so that the examiner understands the response. And then it says given information well used to justify personal opinion and interpretation. That means that whatever you have written also includes your own ideas. Ji Roha, you have a question?
Sir, it says that all required points addressed but not always developed in detail. So what does this mean, that we don't have to get in detail with some points?
अच्छा नहीं, मैं अभी अभी जा रहा हूँ. I'll just go in that, okay? And अभी हम top band को discuss कर रहे हैं. And tone and register entirely appropriate. That means आप order नहीं दो. आपका register जो है वो informal ना हो. अब आप report लिख रहे हो, report के starting में आप लिख रहे हो, hey what's up bro. ये principal को तो नहीं लिख सकते ना. तो ये रजिस्टर होता है. और टोन आपकी पोलाइट हो, रिक्वेस्टिंग हो. जो रोहा आप मुझसे सवाल पूछ रही थी कि ऑल रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स एड्रेस बट नॉट ऑलवेज डेवलप, अगर आपने ये सारी चीजें कर दी ना तो आपको टास्क फुलफिलमेंट में 13 से 15 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. अब अगर आपने सारे पॉइंट्स डेवलप तो करें, एड्रेस करें बट डेवलप नहीं करें, तो फिर आपको 10 या 12 मिलेंगे. इसी तरह आप नीचे आओगे, अगर आपने ये चीजें करी, आपने 2 रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स डेवलप करे, एक आपने छोड़ दिया, तो आपको 7 और 9 में से मिलेंगे. तो इस तरह ये बैंड ऑफ मार्क्स होता है, इसीलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एम आई क्लियर नाउ? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes.
ठीक है, लेट्स गो टुवर्ड्स द लैंग्वेज के बैंड्स. रोहा, यू somebody had asked me a question, monotonous, मेरे ख्याल से वो वाला report is क्या? Somebody asked me something.
Economically clear.
ये कहाँ पर है? Can you show me?
Sir, I don't remember. It was here, somewhere here.
अच्छा ठीक है. I don't see it economically. I think उसमें होगा, लैंग्वेज में होगा. अच्छा अब देखो, ये लैंग्वेज की 15 मार्क्स हैं. Highly accurate writing apart from very occasional slips. We have talked about slips. What do you mean by slips? ठीक है, E की जगह I लगा दिया. For example, receiving की spelling होती है RECE. Am I right? IVING. अब आपने अगर EI की जगह IE कर दिया एक दफा तो वो स्लिप हुआ, बट आप इसको रिपीट कर रहे हो तो वो एरर बन जाएगा. सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स वेरीड फॉर पर्टिकुलर इफेक्ट्स. तो इसका क्या मतलब है? हमें सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर सीखने पड़ेंगे. क्या होता है सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स? प्लीज से यस और नो. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नो? Please somebody unmute yourself and explain me if you're understanding whatever I'm explaining. Eamon says through a right tick that she's understanding. Anybody else? Abdul Rahman is also saying he understands it. Thank you. तो हमें sentence, you didn't understand? What I was telling you was that we might have to, yeah, I'm telling you, I will also teach you sentence structures. There's a whole class, there might be like 2-3 classes on sentence structures, which I'm going to upload and all that. ठीक है? So I'm going to show you. वो क्या कह रहे हैं? Sentence structures use होने चाहिए. कहीं पे simple sentence होना चाहिए, कहीं पे compound sentence होना चाहिए. There might be, you should use compound, complex and complex sentences. So I'm going to teach you these sentence structures. Don't worry. This is like, maybe like in the next class or maybe after that, I'm going to teach you sentence structures. Then verb forms largely correct. आपको पता है कि do, did, done. I did not go there is the right word. I did not went is incorrect. तो ये सारी चीजें, vocabulary wide and precise. I'm going to hand over some vocabulary worksheets to you so that you can start working on your vocabulary as well. Punctuation accurate and helpful. आपको पता होना चाहिए फुल स्टॉप कहाँ आता है, कॉमा कहाँ आता है. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए सेमीकोलन कैसे यूज होगा. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि वैरायटी और पंक्चुएशन कैसे यूज करते हैं. स्पेलिंग एक्यूरेट. पैराग्राफ्स हैव यूनिटी, यानी एक पैराग्राफ 12 लाइनों का है, एक पैराग्राफ जो है 18 लाइनों का है, एक पैराग्राफ 2 लाइनों का है. तो पैराग्राफ्स हैव यूनिटी. बाय द वे, कैन समबडी टेल मी व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ अ पैराग्राफ? कम से कम कितना होना चाहिए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितने का होना चाहिए?
So can I?
Yes. Yeah, sure.
Minimum, if it's introduction, it goes 4 lines. Maximum.
अच्छा पता है, अच्छा मैं जो हूँ ना, आई एम अ टीचर हु वुड टेल यू थिंग्स विद एविडेंस. अब मैं आपको एविडेंस दिखाता हूँ. ये मेरी कवर्ड है, ठीक है, इसमें मेरी बुक्स पड़ी हुई हैं, ठीक है. अब इसमें एक बुक है एलन अथर्टन के नाम से. Acha, the cupboard is in mess right now. I will take out the cupboard, the book from the cupboard. I won't take out the cupboard. Sorry. I will take out the book और उसमें जो एग्जामिनर है एलन एथरटन वो बताती है कि कितनी लेंथ होनी चाहिए. अभी मुझे मिल नहीं रही है बुक बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें रखी हुई हैं कबर्ड के अंदर. तो I'll take out the book and I'll show you. She used to be the examiner for O level English. तो उसने एक बुक लिखी है. अगर आप लोगों ने किसी ने अपने if you have seen a book of your older brothers or sisters, it's GCE, General Certificate English, Ellen Atherton. Has anybody seen that book? I'll show you. उसमें पेज नंबर 208, यूनिट नंबर 40, पैराग्राफिंग एंड लिंकिंग आइडियाज. तो वो उस पर बात करता है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट बुक. मे बी आई कैन टेक अ स्नैपशॉट एंड अपलोड इट. सफा क्लियर? तो उसमें एग्जामिनर कहता है कि मिनिमम 6 लाइन्स, मैक्सिमम 12 लाइन्स. ठीक है, मिनिमम 6 लाइन्स, मैक्सिमम 12 लाइन्स. एक और बुक है, उसका नाम है कैम्ब्रिज रिवीजन गाइड, ब्लू कलर की बुक है. तो उसमें वो कहते हैं एग्जामिनर कि भाई आपको जितने पैराग्राफ्स करने आप करें. वी एंजॉय ईटिंग इन चंक्स rather than you people choking us with a big piece of food. तो कभी भी मैं आपको कोई चीज बताऊं और आप मुझे बोले ना सर आप इसका एविडेंस दे सकते हैं, आप इसका रेफरेंस दे सकते हैं,
सेकंड हिट किया है.
यो
रहमान
बोको बोलो.
आ गया है. मेरे नेट सही क्या?
यार नींद आ रही है.
यार अब्दुलरहमान बताओ ना, मेरा नेट सर का, तुम्हारे पास भी ऐसे ही आ रहे हैं?
हाँ सर का गया नेट.
सर का
मैं
गया.
भी जा रहा. फोन से
तो पावर कट हो गया होगा, म्यूट भी हो गया. ये इतनी खामोशी क्यों है? 21 बच्चे हैं, आधी क्लास आई है.
जैफा यार अभी ठंडी नहीं करना प्लीज को. आगे
आप लोगों को ठीक है. I'll take a break. अच्छा, by the way, we are left with almost 15 minutes. ठीक है, 15 minutes में our class will get over. Okay, ठीक है. We'll stop here because it's getting monotonous for you, right? I'll stop. Okay, let me show you something. Shall I? Sure. बस काम की बातें ना हो तो सबको देखना तो बहुत मजे आता है ना. अच्छा.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Uzaifa.
Sir, there are a few people with their videos off, such as Abdurrahman Imran, and he was opening his mic in the middle and just saying things out of nowhere. Yeah, here he is. Sorry, thank you.
Acha, Abdurrahman, let me tell you one thing. Anybody who does any of these things, Miss Huma, Sir Safi, Miss Andali will go through all these videos and they monitor. तो अगर आपका माइक ऑफ भी है ना तो उनको सब चीजें पता चल जाएंगी और फिर एंड में the repercussions will be faced by you. So if you're doing it, you need to respect everyone because there are girls over here as well. And saying all those inappropriate things is not a good idea. Are you getting my point? So anybody who was doing it, please don't do it. It's a request. अब आप लोग बड़े हो जाएं, अब आप O3s में आ गए हैं, आप लोग क्लास 7-8 में नहीं है. वो वाली हरकतें जो आप लोग बाथरूम में छुप के गीला कर देते थे. Now you need to grow up. Okay, Anusha, please switch on your camera. Hamza, Umama, Ahmed Nasir, switch on your cameras. ठीक है? So I expect like adults. If you don't act like adults in my class, then you have no right to be in my class. And I had asked Josefa to be monitor if in case I get disconnected and tell me. So if you go back to him or if you WhatsApp him, तूने क्यों बताया and all that stuff. So I had asked him. I have also 2-3 other people who would tell me secretly after the class that this person was doing this, this person was doing that. So it's a warning. I'm forgiving you this time. If this happens again, then I will take a serious action. देखो हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है ना, हमें जो अपना एग्जाम है इंग्लिश का, we have to take it in like we hardly have time. And I'm not playing the blame game, but I know what you have done in previous classes. Sorry to say, what used to happen in the previous classes, I exactly know. जो 3-4 बच्चे आगे सर के साथ बैठ जाते थे और बाकी पीछे पूरी पार्टी पिकनिक होती थी. So I don't want to play the blame game. आप नहीं सीखोगे, आपका नुकसान होगा. आप काम नहीं करेंगे, आपका नुकसान होगा. So let's be serious. Whatever is done is done. If I get disconnected, it does not mean that you start doing, you take over the and act like a circus. Acha. This is one of the, my favorite move, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जिंदगी में. आपकी life gets difficult, it's unfair. The pandemic took place, a lot of people had traveling plans, crisis आ जाते हैं, बहुत अच्छे हालात होते हैं, कभी हालात बुरे हो जाते हैं. This video talks about these things that I'm saying. आप लोगों को I'm connecting, I got speakers for you so that you can get better sound quality. So have a look. आपको आवाज आ रही है? I'm just playing it. Can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm playing the video.
Show you some curves. And it's not just the things that you see coming, but sometimes it's the things that you didn't see coming that hit you out of nowhere, that set you back in such a way that it seems like you can't get over. And you've reached your limit, and your bandwidth is full. You already said, I can't take another thing, and then out of nowhere, here comes something you didn't see coming, and you're in it. And in your homes, somewhere in your heart, these words are echoing. Am I going to make it? Then you get into a tight spot, and everything goes against you until it seems that you cannot hold on for a minute longer. Never give up then, for that is just the place and time that the tide will turn. There are times when the energy feels so depleted that you want to give up, that it looks just totally impossible. And I can tell you from my own personal experience, don't give up there. That's when you've got to fall forward, when life is kicking dirt in your face. Don't give up there. That's when most people turn back. There's no fear alive. There is hope. You're still alive. You're still here. It's never too late. It's never too dark. And we can always don't go too hard. There's going to be bad days, there's going to be dark days, but you got to embrace it, because that pain is what makes you stronger. Pain is the high cost of growth. If you want to grow up, you want to be mature, there is no way to do it without pain. You can't grow up on easy street. And the very thing that discourages you is the very thing that develops you. No one's coming to save you. No one's coming to save you. The only person that's going to make a drastic change in your life, whether that's physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, the only person that is going to take you out of that hole too. You aptitude for you. You've got to become courageous to stand up within yourself, to face it and step forward. We all do face of that victim mentality. But why me? You can become the victim of the situation or the victor of the situation. You have to be the master of your emotions, not let them affect you. You're the dictator. You're the captain of the boat, whether you let things affect you in a negative way or a positive way. I don't lose. I ain't gonna learn. And life is only winning and learning. All your problems become gifts that you learn from them. And some of you have a lot of thinking to stop. And I'm telling you right now, don't give up. I'm telling you right now, don't give in. Get through it. Execute, execute, execute. In the midst of adversity, execute. You're going to do this. You're going to get out. You're going to get dressed. You're going to get out. And you're going to do what you call it. You're going to be what you call it. And you're going to do it every round that tries to break you. Everybody that tries to kill their pain, you're going to do all of them all. And if you can work through that pain, I'm guaranteeing you on the other side is a reward. Pain is not permanent. Pain is temporary.
So, looking at the pandemic and looking at the things, looking at the situations, things are going to change, inshallah. Let's have a positive outlook. I understand what the families are going through. People are losing their loved ones. So, this is not permanent. Nothing is permanent. Okay? Did you like the video? Did you like the video? Okay.
Yes.
Mohammed Ahmed saying, look, Meesam is saying good. Meesam, I'm glad you're with us. I have never seen you on your camera. Could you please switch on your camera? Raheem? Okay. ठीक है, chalo. For today, I'm going to stop over here. Our class gets over at what time?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
2 पे ओवर होगी, लेकिन अगर आपको अभी करनी है कोई मसला नहीं है.
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल अभी नहीं कर रहा. I have exactly like 7 more minutes. Any questions that you have on your mind regarding English, regarding anything, you may ask me right now.
Sir, I tried to play English recording that we had yesterday. Yeah, like I guess before the class, but it was
okay.
It said that you do not have the permission. You do not have the permission to play these recordings and all from LMS. So how do we do that in case if we miss some lecture, if you're absent? So how do we manage? Because they're saying if you do not have permission, so can we have this sorted?
ठीक है. I'll get back to your question. Roha, you want to ask something, beta?
Sir, are we going to use that book which was written in the syllabus for grade 11, the Oxford one?
No. I'll get back to you on this. Can you give me a day?
Yes, sure.
And anybody else? Any questions? Manahir, Anusha, any question? Fareh, Ubaid Raza, any questions? Mohammed Ahmed, you have any questions? Mohammed Ahmed, are you sleeping or you're awake? Okay. ठीक है. So I'll get back to you for these 2 questions. ठीक है. And just give me a day or 2 and I'll get back to you. Huzaifa, I'll also ask the technical people what about the video playbacks and all that. ठीक है. So we're ending our class for today. Stay safe. If you go out, wear a mask, use sanitizers, social distancing still to be maintained. Just don't be careless. Maybe you get fined, but then there are older people in your house, so you need to take care of these things. And one piece of advice: start reading every day. This is the best time. You're not going out much. You're not doing much. Start reading every day, not Facebook messages or WhatsApp, Insta stories, and all those. Read every day something, books, something that would help you in improving your English as well. Because if you read, then only you're going to improve your English. If you're not reading, then you're not going to improve your English. I'm telling you. So please start off with reading. Maybe tomorrow, just a minute. Maybe from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start off with some written work as well. Yes, Huzaifa. Yes.
Sir, I was asking that you said read books. I do not have an interest in novels. Like, as in, I don't like narratives and reading dialogues and all. So, can we have some normal books in which we just have the story and or newspapers or something like some suggestions? Like the other day, you gave me a
When
suggestion about.
uh, hmm, when I say reading, it could be anything. It's not necessarily you read storybooks only. You could read autobiography. You could read, you could read something on arts. You can read something on psychology. You can read anything, but read every day. You could read newspapers. That's a wonderful, way of improving your English. Okay, so that's one piece of advice because you see right now you have time आगे चल के फिर आप बोलोगे सर मेरी English weak है मैं क्या करूं and I will say that time also start reading 3 months and you will see the change, trust me, people have really improved. Just start off reading every day 5 pages religiously, you have to read it and you will see the changes in yourself. ठीक है, so for today's class, bye bye. We'll take it off from where we have stopped. We'll start working on sentence structures. How many of you know about sentence structures already, by the way?
The Rahman. फिर से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया यार अहमद अब्दुल रहमान है
सर गए
अब्दुल रहमान का है सर तो गए सर का तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया
हुज़ैफा सर चले गए
हाँ हाँ भी देख रुक जाओ पार्टिसिपेंट्स में देखने दो रुक जाओ अहमद होल्ड ऑन प्लीज हाँ चले गए अरे क्या हुआ यार अब्दुल रहमान ने तो क्लास ही छोड़ दी पूरा सर के गुस्सा करवा दिया थोड़ा सा गुस्सा करवा दिया नाराज होके चला गया यार
क्या कसम से यार ये बाप यार
क्लास लीव कर सकते हैं?
आई गेस टाइम अप हो गया है हाँ वी कैन क्या किसी के पास फैजान का नंबर है मैसेज लीव कर दो इसके गाइस इफ ही हैज
हुज़ैफा क्लास लीव कर लूं? आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी।
हाँ यार वो सर ने क्लास तो एंड कर दी थी ना, तो इट्स ओके वी कैन लीव। ठीक है, वैसे ही 2 बज रहे
Okay.
हैं। क्लास ठीक। Whoever is the host, please end the meeting.